kind of things do we do with this glove? You know, sometimes we do. Like girl. You think there might be something else we could do with these gloves before wearing? I think we can make a game from this one. The products needed for ring toss are latex gloves, paper plates, markers and stickers, child-safe scissors, and plastic lids. This is a really easy activity because all of you need is the latex glove and a heavy paper plate. First, we're going to begin just like a balloon. We're going to hold it really.
Oh, you're going to change it up? You're going to go the other way? Oh, no, all done.